Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We are starting lecture number 69 of bio section. Today's title is lichens. So lichens are symbiotic association between algae and fungi. This is lichen. This growth is lichen. So I intentionally picked this image to emphasize on the point that lichens will grow only in those areas that are pollution free. So in the earlier lecture, we talked about fungi. So they have filamentous growth. They form mycelium. So the fungal growth forms a mat on rock. Okay. So it provides shelter to algae. The fungi will also extract all the minerals and ions from rock. And fungi are also capable of absorbing moisture from the atmosphere. Okay, so the fungus component, which is called the microbiont, it will provide all the raw materials for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide, of course, algae can extract from the atmosphere. So the CO2 will be fixed by algae. The raw material will be provided by fungus. So in this way, they mutually benefit each other. So the association is called lichens. There is only one single paragraph. This is the paragraph on lichens. So I have picked the important points and compiled here. First things first, lichens are symbiotic association. Lichens are classic example of symbiosis. Whenever anybody asks you about example of symbiosis, this is the first thing which should flash in your mind. And symbiosis means both will benefit each other. Mutually useful association are called symbiotic association. The algal component is known as phycobiont. So make a note of this. So algal component, it is autotrophic. So it will prepare food for fungi through photosynthesis. The fungal component is called mycobiont. So this is the technical term for the fungal component in lichens. And they are heterotrophic, provide shelter. So the physical structure in mycelium protect algae from environmental damage. And fungus will also absorb mineral nutrients and water for algae. So they provide the raw material. So this is how they will mutually benefit each other. Lichens are very good pollution indicator. They do not grow in polluted areas. Very important point. So this is the question from NEET 2014. A location with luxuriant growth of lichens on the trees indicate that the trees are healthy, trees are heavily infested, location is highly polluted, or location is not polluted. So the right answer will be option number 4. Which of the following are most suitable indicators of sulfur dioxide pollution in the environment? So answer will be lichens. Lichens are pollution indicators. So that's it about lichens. Simple, small topic, but if any question will be asked, it will help you to boost your rank by 4 marks. Okay, so don't ignore this topic. Prepare well. And in the next lecture, we will talk about viruses. Thanks a lot for watching this video and take good care of yourself.